Okay, let's go again with the white pieces. Celebration. The white pieces, yes. Or Smith gambit it is. Why not? Okay. Get nice pawns in the centre. Am I going to let go of this knight to play knight c3? Depends what he does. If he plays d5, do I still do it? Hold on a sec. And legal move to get the knight back. I'll play knight c3 here. In any case, could do. Or e5. I think e5 might be more appropriate. It's blocking that bishop. Swing like f4 and knight f3. Pawn triangle against the bishop. Okay. Actually, this diagonal was a bit weak, so what about queen b3 as e6, or even more subtle as queen c2, whether there's bishop f5 maybe. It's queen b3. That's interesting. Bishop e3 to f2 after knight f5. Bishop e3 and castle queenside, knight f5, bishop f2, trying to castle queenside. Mind you, that e takes f6, which is the bind on e5. Then knight e5. Yeah. Sort of more positional, I think. Oh, it's double pawns. Okay, if I take d pawn, d4, is that really on? Don't think so, because queen b7. So I'll do it like that. Blimey, okay. Okay, I'll take on b7. Mind you, takes his threatening mate, gotta be careful. Bishop b5 here. Bishop's not able to protect that knight on c6. So I'll be able to take on c6 and this castle. That looks okay. Okay, so bishop c6, the castle. Right. So what's the situation? Can I get a knight e4 to f6? Knight e4 takes d2 as well. Queen a6 here. Rook c7. I think queen a6 is necessary. Right. Is rook e1 here, or rook f2? Oh, rook f2 is queen d1. I can just take the rook with the rook. Oh, he's going to come in with rook c7, queen d1, or rook c7, queen d1. So rook e1, rook f4, maybe better. Rook e1 just to block that pawn. Rook f4, knight e4, threatening knight s6. Okay, let's go for that one instead. Defending against knight f6. Queen's on f1 as well if needed. Hang on, his queen can't take on e4, can it? My queen's on his rook. So, queen's on his rook. Bishop f3, queen e6. Go for that one. There's rook f3. Oh, rook f3 is a bit annoying. What about queen d3 here? Queen e5. Queen d6, queen e4. I think queen d3. There isn't any rook f1 at the moment. Queen d3. Bishop g6 here. take and queen g7. No, h3 just to give my king somewhere. I suppose I am threatening hg as well, which is ignored. There's a knight g3. I take. I might be threatening hg now. Okay. Exchange up. Pawn's gone. Looking a bit better. Let's get the queen evicted for my king. Get off my king. Okay. He's threatening maybe bishop h3. What about rook f1 then? Try and pin that sort of bishop. So rook f4 and rook f1, double up rooks, play g4. Okay. Coordinate pieces, time. So g4 now threatened. e5. There's rook f5 and queen e6 here. I'll play that. Looks good. Okay, that was a good game. Interesting, tactical, sharp. So I'm not sure really. It looks a bit dodgy because of this e2 idea. So rook c7, rook c3, and queen d1. It's dangerous if rook f2. So I end up losing that f4. But then he sacks the exchange and somehow managed to consolidate. Okay, let's go again. Rick, shout. Can I play like Elephant Gambit or something creative like Elephant Gambit? Yeah. I haven't played this crazy gambit for a while. If I take on e4, maybe that's the best one here. Don't know. Bishop z4, bishop e5. If I can play knight f6 and or knight c6. I think knight f6. Oh, it's going to be on that. Knight f6, bishop g5. So how about just bishop f5 here, then followed by knight d7. If we can get that knight evicted with knight d7 to avoid bishop b5, horrible pings, and play c6. Okay. And play queen e7, castle queenside. All knight f6 is playable now, surely. It's not going to lose a tempo to play bishop g5. Is he? He's going to play f3, I could just castle. Can I? Okay, well, have to. So fe, there's bishop g4, knight g4, bishop f4, bishop e5, ef, bishop d4. Oh, bishop, what about just bishop e4? There's e takes f. Bishop g4 it is then. Let's try and stop castling queenside. Okay, so can I just... No, take on e5 now. I have to. Maybe knight h5. So, introducing queen h4's Play knight takes g3 here. Queen e7. Trying to get that pawn back. Knight d5, queen e5. Let's play knight e5. Knight e5, knight d5. Bishop e2, knight e5. Bishop e2 and c6. Bishop e2, c6. Queen h5, I've got h6. I'll play that, play it like that. Start knight d5. Pawn's not running away. Although, yeah, I'm going to be exposed to an attack. I guess I'll stop the queen h5s, I think. So if I check, knight e5, there's rook h5, there's queen g4. No, I have to play the knight. Ouch. That's queen g3 though. Wait, queen g3. Oh, h6 is tempting, rook h6. I'll play h6. It's got rook h3, he's just winning a piece with rook h3. Oh, finally he's giving me a chance to protect that. Okay, that's a yummy move to be able to play in the circumstances, because I thought that was just winning a piece. Probably isn't it? Queen g4. He was winning a piece there. And just rook takes e5. I've got things like b5, knight c4, maybe knight e3. Get over here, even. Well, that looks better than before. Is f6 worth playing? Nah, I'll just play that. I want to get my attack going. Knight c4, sort of attack. Knight c4 and a5, or knight c4 and something else. Anyway, knight c4 with tempo it is. What about rook e5 to stop any g5s? Or f6. There's even rook e4 here. Knight e4, queen e4, queen e2, and then sorry, knight d2. Play gonna sack on h6. What about f6? F6 to stop this nonsense. I'll play f6. Maybe like rook e5 and just play against these isolate pawns. I'm just going to rook h6. Oh, he's on that pawn. He's on my pawns. He's not leaving my pawns alone. I'll go back here. Oh, I have to protect c6 to keep d5. Could take on g4. Take on g4 now, or rook f7. Maybe rook f7. Play rook e7. Get some coordination down going. Knight f4, queen g4. So I want e4 and g4. The knight's pretty good. What about just queen e4 here? Queen e4, queen g4, or queen e4. Looks more central. You play then knight c4 next. I think the queen. Is he still thinking about this rook h6? He's not playing it still. Knight takes g4. It's knight f6. What about rook e6? Trying to keep vaguely solid. Queen c7 though. So knight f6 coming along. Knight g4. Knight g4. Could try knight g4. Just to protect that f6.